Turkish tomato salad made with fresh plum tomatoes, cucumbers and crunchy walnuts is absolutely delicious, and it is the perfect side dish. So, cut all the vegetables and walnuts and add them to a large bowl. And then add olive oil, pomegranate molasses, lemon juice and all the spices and mix everything well. And in the end, add some pomegranate seeds. This Turkish tomato salad is very special because of ingredients such as pomegranate molasses and sumac that gives such beautiful flavor to it. Enjoy! Bon appetit!